It's gonna be a fast repair. We are trying to replace the fan from this all-in-one computer. Very simple. It's one of the easiest jobs. Okay, so for this one, the fan inside is making noises every time it spins. It's not working properly. It's starting to overheat because it's not going to the speed it needs to cool the computer off. So we got the part today, and this one is one of the easiest computers to fix in this line, the all-in-one. A lot of people don't like to work on these ones because everything is very compact inside. This one I really like doing. So I like working on any kind of computer, basically. So this is going to be a really fast, maybe let's 20 minutes max. So for this model, there's going to be a Dell Inspiron 7700 all-in-one computer series. So this one, that's very nice built, because the only thing we have to do is just pull this thing up and start going from one end. Don't force it, just a little hard push, just like that. And then we go back here, because this one's still just like that. You don't need to use a lot of force to do it. So all right, so just like go around just like this. There we go. The clips on this one, these computers are very very easy to open. So now we have this one. We don't have to force or finger here or anything. Don't lift and wiggle, just like a little wiggle, and it comes up just like this. Okay, so as you can see, we have everything. The computer is almost brand new. It's just the fan is not working the way it's supposed to. Alright, so before we start taking things apart, I normally like to match the part right there so it fits. It's very similar. Alright, the only thing we have to do is just bring the cables down, and then it should work. So yep, that's the exact same one. Alright, maybe see, this one spins a lot easier. This one is just like not too good. Anyway, we're gonna remove screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a very common issue on these computers, the all-in-one, especially on this model. They get super hot because the fan is only one fan for everything, and it's a small one, and the fan starts failing and the computer starts overheating, and it's gonna basically overheat the computer. Was making noises, basically. It's making a noise. So for this one, I like to keep track of my screws, so I know this one is from here. I always like to keep track of my screws, no matter what kind of computer, because I like to put the same screw back into the same place If it's there, it's for a reason. And in some computers, the size will change or the shape. So right, so we want to lift, we just lift this one up straight like this, and it's gonna come off to remove the connector right here. This is the connector. Just lift like that. We're gonna match the other one. Yep, that's the exact same. Okay, the same way we remove the one. This is like a little clip stuck here. We don't even have to lift them. We just squish the thing under. We want to remove the screws. Again, keep track of your screws. I know that this one is from here and there is two over here. That will do. If you have if you order the part and the part didn't work or whatever, just put everything back and take it back again. So the fan just comes like this. This is the fan, makes noise, right? And we put the new one back in, just like that. All right, and we start with the screws. This one we know goes over here. This is gonna be we're going kind of fast. We're halfway almost, and this screw is going over here. All right, if you guys like doing this, always do the work, do a little research, go on the website, and if this is going to be the first time you're doing it, find out first before you do anything else. All right, before we put the connector back in, we're gonna make sure it's gonna match, and we don't want to put it the wrong way and bend the pins and damage it, make it worse. So for this one right here, it's going like this, and it clicks just like that in here. Push down like that. All right, we have that. Now before I put everything back, I'm just gonna test the computer. So you guys can see what I was doing. Put it back in there. Let's see it over here. Just gonna lift it like this. Push the power button. Right there. Probably not, you guys not gonna be able to hear it, but yeah, it's making a little noise, and when it speeds even more, it makes a bigger noise, and with the back cover in, it's even worse. So, all right. So we wanna shut it down. There it goes. Yeah, the bearings are bad on that one, so we're just gonna shut it down. There. Yeah, and with it, since it wasn't speeding properly, the computer was overheating and started making the noise. So, all right, so we have this one. We put the connector back in. We know it works. We're just gonna put everything back. And remember, put every single screw where it belongs. Oops. Don't miss, if you're trying to do this one, you keep track of your screws. Don't be the person um, yeah, if I screw it in here is for a reason. You know, just don't put everything back and the way it's supposed to be. This should be it. So for this one, that's a very fast and easy repair. I love this kind of computers because the back cover comes off very easy. And yeah, that one's the only thing. Everything is accessible. You know, the memory RAM, the hard drive. This one still has a hard drive. But yep, so we're done. We know it works. All the screws are in. We're gonna put the back cover where it belongs. Same way, remove it. Make sure just it sits properly from the bottom. It clicks, one click, and it's gonna be centered. There we go. Push, push. There we go. Everything should go easy. There we go. Not a lot of pressure you need for this computer. Super easy. Easy to fix. There we go. All good. And we lift it. That's a 24-inch computer here. Very easy repair. Very simple. It works. 10 minutes max. We got it done. Finally done. The customer is coming to pick up tomorrow. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you like what you guys are watching, give us a like. Always helps, so we can show more content like this. We fix phones, computers, gaming computers, or yeah, custom built PCs, office computers, printers, cell phones, anything. We try to fix everything very much. So thank you guys for watching, and that's it for today.